Can you feel the heat? Yes, oo, same. Kaya gawa tayo ng SAGO'T at GULAMAN. Of course, we need to make the syrup first. Arniba lang talaga yan. In a heated pan, put in the sugar and stir until it caramelizes. Make sure na low heat ito ah. Now once caramelized, lagay na natin yung water. Yes po, nagulat din kami dyan. And add vanilla extract. Then keep stirring para di siya dumikit and mabilis mag-dissolve yung sugar. Once it boils, patayin agad and let it cool sa side. Prepare na natin yung grass jelly. And yes, gulaman yan. Slice into little bite-sized cuts. And then set aside. O, diba? Chikli kaliente ang atake today. Then for the sago, in a boiling pot, lagay na natin sila and stir occasionally para di dumikit until cooked na siya. Then drain natin and place natin sa cold water para maging firm. Wow, tama naman, di ba? And then ayan, lagay na natin silang lahat. Grass jelly, tapioca pearls, gulaman, sago, tsaka ice, of course. Then pour in the arnibal. Masirap yan for sure. Then mix muna. And since summer na,